Hello again and welcome to TVC News this hour. We're staying with the ruling delivered by a federal high court in Abuja on Friday, which struck out 8 of the 15-count charge relating to treasonable felony and other related offences as alleged by the federal government against the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra body, Nnamdi Kanu. In her ruling on the validity of the charge, Justice Binta Nyako held that counts 6 to 12 and 14 didn't disclose any offense by the defendants, while counts 1 to 5 as well as 8 and 15 show some allegations. Celestina Area reports.
Binta Nyako ruled on the validity of the charges brought against Nnamdi Kanu, striking out some, while pointing out that the other charges have weighty allegations. She noted that the trial of the defendant shall proceed on these charges not struck out. She also held that rendition for the purpose of a criminal investigation is allowed. In the instant case, there is a bench warrant on the defendant, and this makes him a fugitive before the court. The court also stated on the issue of proscription of IPOB, the case is still on appeal and the order prescribing the organization is still subsisting until it is vacated. Counsel to Mr. Kanu moved an application for his bail, submitting that until a person is tried and convicted, he should be allowed to walk free. On his part, counsel to the federal government, Magaji Labaran, urged the court to refuse the application, adding that Mr. Kanu had allegedly violated the earlier bail granted him. He urged the judge to be guided by her discretion vis-a-vis the circumstances of the case, and in the alternative, should order accelerated hearing on the matter so that the defendant can know his fate one way or the other.
Today, after the counts were quashed, we then proceeded to move our bail application. The defendant, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, deserves to be granted bail. The case of the prosecution has always been, and this is sheer falsehood, that Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail, and that was why he was forcibly renditioned back to Nigeria.
The court, in its wisdom, now reviewed all the charges and discovered that with the exception of 7 counts, about 8 counts appear to be similar, and those charges were struck out.
The court adjourned till 18th May for ruling on the bail application of Mr. Kanu. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.